Hey guys, welcome to Next State channel. In this video, we're gonna see what will be the next move of Bitcoin in upcoming days. So, as you know already, there is a lot of hype about El Salvador and then other countries making use of Bitcoin and stuff like that. But what actually happens in the market is that it's not even breaking this level, this trend line level. All are like for this single candle, the hype is too much, but the sellers are there. I mean, Bitcoin holders are getting increased in a sense. Per wallet, the holders' Bitcoin value is getting increased day by day, but still, we are not seeing any up move or reversal in direction. The market is still in FUD mode, all right? So, in in last 2 days or in this week itself, we saw so much of bullish news, all right? But the Bitcoin price is almost at like an 50% discount, all right? For those big news, if the market is on bull run, it should have already broke out this level, maybe trading around this level, like 45,000 or 44,000 would be some good levels, all right? Even though all this news has been absorbed by the market, the reaction is very less, which makes me feel like maybe the drawing in of funds is getting lower and lower. So sellers are, that is, supply is high when compared to demand. So yeah, what I would suggest is that if you are in position and you have a good risk appetite, just wait for this triangle pattern to be broken up. Alright, this green passage lets you know with this master candle. Alright, this master candle will be the one. Let me first tell what is a master candle. Master candle is a one which is which is in bigger size. Alright, many further candles will trade within those regions. As you can clearly see, this is a master candle and we are still in this region. All right, so if the break is in this level, I mean to the bottom or above, that will be of a huge value. Maybe you can take a position once this level is broken, or you can book your losses. Maybe if you long India, or in vice versa if you are short of it, right? So that will be the good thing. If you are new and don't know what to do and you want to capture this move, all right, just wait for the candle to close above. So yeah, that will be the good idea. Or if you want to take a risk, like let's just check Bitcoin dominance now. So yeah, as you can see, it is forming a good bottoming out pattern in Bitcoin dominance, which means that you should stay away from alts and then hold only Bitcoin. So to capture this move, I believe, or many people believe that 52K around will be a good level to be tested by the Bitcoin dominance. All right. So once the Bitcoin dominance reached like 52 or 50 levels or 50 levels, all right, you can just try to buy altcoins and large your bag. All right. But for now, staying in alt is pretty much worse than holding a Bitcoin because Bitcoin is comparably bullish when compared to HALS. All right, so yeah, that will be the best part of it. I don't want to show or talk about ETS and stuff like that because this is clearly in a bearish sentiment. All right, the only thing which can help you which can help you take a trade is that Bitcoin dominance. I strongly believe that because though the functionality and use cases of Bitcoin, Ethereum is pretty much higher when compared to Bitcoin, but Bitcoin is then asset class, right? People believe that Bitcoin will be always having the topmost market cap than any other token. That sentiment is still there, all right. So everyone will invest on Bitcoin and next only to Ethereum. Maybe the flipping can happen or not, which we don't know, right? But for now, the sentiment is bullish on BTC and bearish on any other else. All right, so yeah, I will talk about HALS when it's good time to buy. For now, just stick to Bitcoin or have just USDT in your account. All right. So generally, I would say that um, only one thing, don't look into any other patterns, any other candlesticks, any other news. Just make the chart speak for yourself, all right? And you can patiently wait without seeing anything because this is an sideways region. There is no need to periodically watch what will be the or the breakout has already happened. All right, you just wait for the market to either break 30K level and sustain there, or 43 500 level and sustain it above there. All right, but I strongly believe that breaking this level would create a pretty much big panic, and then sellers will be pretty much interested in closing the position immediately. So maybe a last squeeze in volume will be there once this is broken. So yeah, it is simple now. It is pretty much simple uh, to think on whether to take position or not. All right, this is my opinion on daily chart. All right, but if you go to 4 hours, again, this is where I said the news has came, but still this resistance is met, right? So yeah, market is not in good shape because market is in 50% discount. One second. So yeah, just hold on to that position if you are holding and then believing in a long-term holding. All right, don't just sell because to sell now and buy in a lower level because already it's in pretty much good discount. Maybe and one single eventually and game-changing news can create an up move, right? So yeah, just stick to your position if you are already holding and it's in long term. But if you are considering to be in short term or in monthly ranges, I would strongly suggest that if your risk appetite is good, hold it or just sell and enter when this region is closed. And that's so when you look the 1 hour chart, all right. So there is an head and shoulder pattern, inverse head and shoulder pattern, all right. But the point is, this head and shoulder pattern was been forming for a very long time now. So yeah, this has no value now because you know if the market trend is in bullish way, that would have seriously be broken, and then we should have seen an up move. Since the market sentiment is in same way, we can't really help. All right, we can't really know this is an head and shoulder pattern. You see, this is an head and shoulder pattern. All right. Maybe eventually you should have broken here and made a reversal. That didn't happen. And then if you can see, this is also forming like an head and shoulder pattern. I don't know it will even break or not because the sentiment is bad. That's what I'm saying. This is a pattern, but still sentiment should be good. We can't take this as an head and shoulder because the neckline is not even met. It's not a complete set of inverse head and shoulder, all right? So yeah, this is not head and shoulder, but still we can take this as an head and shoulder pattern, and maybe or may not, who knows, right? But still, my opinion is that stay away from the market in this range, even in any cases, all right? So thanks for watching. That's all for this video, and please subscribe and stay tuned for more videos, and I will be posting the video when to enter an ads and stuff like that. So thank you for watching.